Python in Excel brings the world of Excel and Python analytics together. You can use powerful Python libraries right within your Excel workbook to create visualizations, machine learning models, and other advanced analytics. Python in Excel is integrated directly into the fabric of Excel. With the new py function, you can seamlessly use Python within the grid. No need to install anything. We are partnering with Anaconda to bring a secure and trusted Python distribution for analytics into Excel. This version will include popular Python libraries, such as Pandas and Matplotlib. Use Python to clean and manipulate your data, train machine learning models, create compelling plots, and more, right within the familiar, secure Excel environment. Using Excel's built-in connectors and Power Query, you can easily bring external data into your Python in Excel workflows. Security and privacy are core to the design of Python in Excel. The Python code runs on the Microsoft Cloud as a compliant Microsoft 365 connected service. Python in Excel is compatible with all the analytics features you know and love in Excel, such as Excel formulas, charts, pivot tables, conditional formatting, and more. Use the flexibility of Excel and the power of Python to make data-informed decisions and tell better stories with Python in Excel.